Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your text or list into bullet points or a numbered list. For example, here is the resume I'm designing, and I want to change this text list into bullet points. It's a really simple and easy step. Just one click. Just click on it and make sure it's properly aligned. After the alignment section icon, you'll see the list icon. Just click on it and your text will be changed into bullet points. If you want to switch to a numbered list, simply click again in the same list section. You'll see there is a numbered list option as well. If you click once more, it will revert your list back to plain text without any bullet points or numbering. This way, you can choose whatever you like: bullet points, numbered lists, or a simple text list. So that's an easy way to convert your list into bullet points or a numbered list. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to comment below. I'll be answering all of your questions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.